If you manage Power BI or Microsoft Fabric at enterprise scale, or you're building a career in BI platform administration, this channel is for you. Hi, I'm Dileep Palety. I'm a senior Power BI and Microsoft Fabric platform engineer with more than 12 years of enterprise BI experience. My journey began with IBM Cognos platform support and evolved into large-scale Power BI and Fabric administration across global manufacturing and retail environments. I've supported analytics platforms serving hundreds of thousands of users, thousands of workspaces, dozens of capacities, and very large semantic model estates. My hands-on work includes capacity health, high availability gateways, refresh reliability, tenant governance, Entra ID security, deployment pipelines, monitoring, automation, and critical incident response. I've also built automation that replaced days of repetitive administration, improved issue detection, strengthened governance, and optimized licensing. On Power BI Admin, I'll turn this experience into practical guidance you can apply at work. We'll troubleshoot failed refreshes, identify capacity overloaders, improve gateway reliability, automate tasks using PowerShell and REST APIs, strengthen security, monitor platforms with capacity metrics, workspace monitoring, Splunk and OpenObserve, and prepare for Microsoft Fabric. Expect daily troubleshooting shorts, step-by-step admin guides, reusable scripts, checklists, architecture explanations, and clear root cause analysis based on real operational lessons without exposing confidential company or customer information. This channel is about platform administration, not basic report design. Videos will be organized into English, Telugu, and Hindi playlists. Subscribe to Power BI Admin and let's build reliable, secure, governed, and scalable BI platforms together.